Today, we'll explore a core concept in Hermetic philosophy, the law of mentalism. This foundational law posits that all is mind. The universe is mental. This concept may seem straightforward, yet it encompasses profound implications. What does it truly mean to declare that everything is mind, that the universe itself is a mental construct, and our experiences are simply reflections of our thoughts? As we delve into the power of this principle, we'll also touch on its validation through modern physics. The law of mentalism not only unlocks the gateway to the other 6 Hermetic principles, but also unveils a transformative secret about our interaction with the universe. By embracing the idea that all is mind, we delve into the enigma that the universe, everything that has been, is, and will be, is a manifestation of a universal mind, akin to what Hindu philosophy terms Vishnu's dream. This understanding places each of us as an integral part of this cosmic manifestation. Today's exploration will not just introduce the concept of mentalism, but will open doors to the profound spiritual mysteries that lie beyond. To grasp mentalism, as described in the Kybalion, the seminal text on Hermetic principles, is to understand that reality isn't physical. It isn't composed of solid, tangible matter as we perceive. Rather, it's a mental construct, an emanation of the universal mind. Envision everything around you, every object you touch and see, as part of a grand mental projection, similar to the world depicted in the Matrix. This universe, so real to our senses, is in fact a sophisticated illusion emerging from consciousness. Hermetic sages teach that there's an inseparable link between our individual minds and this universal mind. We are mere sparks of the divine mind, and when we think, create, or imagine, we tap into the universal consciousness. However, this raises an intriguing question. If we are indeed sparks of the divine, why do we often feel detached from the universal mind? What hinders our perception of this connection in our everyday lives? The answer lies in another Hermetic axiom. Our human minds, limited by personal experiences, conditioning, and perceptions, are veiled by the illusion of separateness. This notion resonates across various spiritual and philosophical teachings. Buddha famously stated, "All that we are is the result of what we have thought." Our minds shape our reality, echoing the Hermetic principle and underscoring the transformative power of understanding and integrating the law of mentalism into our lives. In contemporary science, we delve into the profound relationship between the mind and its ability to shape reality. Max Planck, revered as the father of quantum physics, once posited, "I regard consciousness as fundamental and matter as derivative from consciousness." This perspective mirrors the Hermetic principle of mentalism, which suggests that reality is ultimately a mental construct. This principle is vividly illustrated by the double-slit experiment, initially conducted by Thomas Young in the early 19th century, and further explored as quantum science evolved. In this experiment, electrons are fired at a barrier with 2 openings, and a screen on the other side captures the impact. When unobserved, electrons exhibit wave-like behavior, passing through both slits and forming an interference pattern. However, when their path is observed, they display particle-like characteristics, selecting only one slit and eliminating the wave interference, suggesting that observation itself alters outcomes at a quantum level. This discovery transcends traditional materialistic views and hints at a more profound connection between consciousness and material reality. The experiment supports the notion that focused observation can literally shape the physical state of objects. Such insights reaffirm the ancient wisdom of Hermes Trismegistus, who envisaged the mind as a vast ocean where every thought or observation is like a stone throne, rippling through and influencing reality. The power of the mind, as outlined by the first Hermetic law, underscores that reality is pliable and responsive to our mental focus, transforming possibilities into actualities. However, in today's world, where attention is a prized asset, our capacity to consciously shape our reality is often diluted by constant distractions, social media, advertising, and a barrage of information. This dispersal of mental focus not only distances us from our creative essence, but also transforms us from creators of our reality to mere responders, highlighting the significant influence of where and how we direct our attention in the modern digital age. Research indicates that the overload of information and constant distractions diminish our capacity to concentrate and retain information effectively, undermining our long-term focus. Our mental acuity, much like a blade, becomes dulled by daily interruptions, rendering it less sharp and efficient. Nowadays, the average attention span mirrors that of a goldfish. In Hermetic traditions, focus is regarded as a vital instrument of creation, akin to the intense beam of sunlight focused through a magnifying glass. When focused, this beam can intensely harness energy at a single point to manifest desires. Conversely, when scattered, we lose the capability to shape and steer our life's direction, becoming mere passive participants amidst a flood of trivial stimuli. These distractions not only fragment our focus, but also subtly mold our subconscious. All that we perceive and hear, no matter how insignificant it seems, imprints upon our minds, gradually shaping our beliefs, fears, and behavioral patterns. The subconscious, a potent force in reality creation, is influenced heavily by these unfiltered external inputs, allowing external narratives to program our beliefs and values rather than fostering those that resonate with our true essence. Aldous Huxley once posited that distraction is a prime method of controlling humanity, and his observations prove accurate. A person whose beliefs are shaped without awareness lacks the agency to craft their own reality. Meditation offers a powerful means to reclaim this agency. Hermetic principles suggest that the mind is the origin of all creation. However, a mind besieged by incessant external stimuli cannot function effectively. Meditation serves as a method to concentrate our focus, akin to a lens intensifying light to ignite a flame. In Hermetic practice, meditation is described as a return to the zero point, a realm where nothingness and everything coexist. This state of stillness and total presence is where the mind achieves equilibrium and transforms into an effective tool for conscious creation. Meditation strengthens our mental muscles, enhancing our ability to focus, remain stable, and resist distractions, thus liberating us from external influences. It not only improves our control over the conscious mind, but also serves as a gateway to the subconscious, which largely dictates our reality. To alter our reality, we must delve into our subconscious and dissolve the underlying beliefs, fears, and traumas that hinder our creative power. During meditation, we sink into profound states of relaxation that connect us to our subconscious. In these tranquil moments, long-hidden emotions and patterns surface, presenting an opportunity for recognition and transcendence. This connection is crucial for aligning our conscious mind with the subconscious, transforming it into a supportive force in manifesting our desired reality. By purifying our subconscious, we remove the invisible barriers that thwart us, thereby clearing the way for enhanced clarity and focus in our intentions and creations. At the core of these teachings is the understanding that the universe, with all its intricacies, is essentially a reflection of our mind. Yet much of this creation stems from the subconscious, a vast, underexplored domain within us that stores overlooked thoughts and beliefs. This layer profoundly shapes our perception and consequently our reality, operating not through logic but through symbols, memories, and emotions. Here lie the foundations of our worldviews, recorded incessantly by the subconscious from our earliest moments, capturing every emotion and experience. These recordings form deep-seated molds that shape our perspectives on the world, our relationships, and our potential for success. If our subconscious is the primary mold of our reality, understanding its influence is key to transcending limitations. For example, deeply ingrained beliefs that we are unworthy of love can lead us to unconsciously reject genuine affection, sabotaging relationships. These beliefs act like hidden scripts, confining us to repetitive patterns and preventing our conscious desires from taking shape. Recognizing these subconscious influences allows us to start reprogramming intentionally. This process demands patience and consistent effort, akin to tending fertile soil. Through positive affirmations, visualizations, and meditation, we can uproot limiting beliefs and instill new, empowering visions of ourselves. For instance, replacing a belief in scarcity with a conviction of worthiness and abundance gradually reshapes our reality as our subconscious adapts to these new inputs. Emotions intensify the impact of these beliefs, acting as the subconscious's fuel, molding our reality with their creative power. When we deeply feel an emotion, like confidence, we send a powerful message to the subconscious, which then works to replicate these feelings in our life. The subconscious doesn't differentiate between reality and imagination, accepting these emotional experiences as true. By reprogramming and cultivating elevated emotions, we unlock the full potential of our subconscious, transforming it from a domain of shadows and limitations into a creative ally that guides us toward our highest aspirations. The first Hermetic law teaches us that we are co-creators of our reality. Our mind is a temple, and what we nurture within this temple manifests in the external world. By maintaining focus, practicing meditation, and exploring our subconscious, we can regain control of our creative powers, choosing what thrives in our inner garden and, by extension, in the universe around us. Thank you for joining me in this exploration.